Hello, welcome to New Track Videos. In our videos today, we're going to look at find the value of y if y raised to power y 5 raised to power y times 7 raised to power y raised to power square is equal to 35. But before we proceed, please try to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel so as to get notified whenever I upload my daily videos. Remember, subscription is just free. Now, we're going to apply some laws of indices and logarithm in solving this Olympiad mathematics solution. Now, let's solve. We are given we are given 5 raised to power we're given 5 raised to power y to be equal multiplied by 7 raised to power y square to be equal to 35. So we're going to have 5 raised to power y times 7 raised to power y square equal to 5 times 7. So we'll have our 5 raised to power y over 5 multiplied by, that will be equal to 7 raised to power 1 all over 7y square. Remember, this is 5 raised to power 1 and this is also 7 raised to power 1. So remember a law of indices that say if you have a raised to power 2 all over a raised to power 5, that will be equal to a raised to power 2 minus 5. That's the division law. So we'll apply that here. If we apply that here, this will give us 5 raised to power y minus 1 equal to 7 raised to power 1 minus y square. Fine. So we're going to simplify this. Simplifying this will entail us taking the log of both sides. So we'll have log of 5 y minus 1 base 5 equal to log of 1 minus y square base 7. So this will be equal to y minus 1 multiplied by log 5 equal to 1 minus y square and multiplied by log 7. So to simplify this further, we are going to take the log 7 of both sides. So we'll have y minus 1 log of 5 base 7. That will be equal to 1 minus y square log of 7 base 7. So remember, log of 7 base 7 will be equal to 1. So we'll have our y minus 1 log of 5 base 7 to be equal to 1 minus y square times 1. We'll have y minus 1 log of 7 base 5 base 7 equal to 1 minus y square. So we're going to bring together like terms. So we'll have y minus 1 log of 5 base 7 plus y minus 1 y square minus 1 equal to 0. Now remember, 1 can also be said to be 1 square because 1 times 1 is still equal to 1. So we'll have y minus 1 log of 5 base 7 plus bracket y minus 1 all square equal to 0. So using the principle of difference of two square, we'll have y minus 1 log of 5 base 7 plus y plus 1, and then we'll have our y minus 1, and that will be equal to 0. So we'll simplify further. If we simplify further, we're going to have this to be common. and this to be common among these two different equations. So what we'll do, we'll take the common part out, and that will be equal to log of 5 base 7 plus y plus 1, and that will be equal to 0. Good. Now from this expression, just like a quadratic equation, we'll have y minus 1 to be equal to 0, and also we'll have log of 5 base 7 plus y plus 1 to be equal to 0. So from here we can say our y is equal to 1. So we've gotten the first value for y. So in order to get the second value for y, we are going to simplify the second value, which is log of 5 base 7 plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now to simplify that, we'll have our y to be equal to minus log of 7 base 5. This crosses equal to sign to give you minus, then minus what? Minus 1. Simplify further to give us our y to be equal to minus, being common, log of 5 base 7 plus 1, right? So we'll recall that in our expression we said log of 7 base 7 is equal to 1. So we'll apply that here to simplify this. We'll have our y to be equal to minus into bracket log of 5 base 7 plus log of 7 base 7. So simplifying this, we'll come to see that our y is equal to minus bracket log of 7 bracket 5 times 7. Now remember the laws of logarithm, that the law of addition in logarithm, if I have log of a base 2 plus log of a same base 3, it will give me log of what? 2 times what? Times 3. That's the additional law in logarithm. That's the law we applied. So if we apply that value, we are going to have our y to be equal to minus bracket log of 735 base 7. So our y now will now be equal to minus log of 35 base 7. So recall that we initially have a value for y, and the value for y will be equal to 1 and minus log of 35 base 7. So this is the value for y that satisfies that exponential value. Thanks so much for watching, and do subscribe to this channel, like and also comment on this video.